In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Tasks to Todoist with an easy integration tutorial. Whether you're managing your personal tasks or juggling professional projects, integrating these two powerful tools can streamline your workflow and keep you organized. First, you'll want to head over to Zapier, a widely used automation platform. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one, and if you're already a user, go ahead and log in. Once you're in, look for the button that says Create Zap, or sometimes it might say Make a Zap. This is essentially the starting point for weaves of magic that will connect your apps. Now within Zapier, you'll need to set up your trigger. This is what prompts your automation to start. In the search bar, type in Google Tasks, and when you find it, select it as your trigger app. Next, you'll need to choose the specific event that will trigger the integration. For instance, you might prefer new task or task updated, depending on your workflow needs. After choosing the trigger event, the next step is to connect your Google account. Make sure to choose the specific task list you want Zapier to monitor. This list is where the magic begins as it sets off the automation. Next up, you'll focus on Todoist, which will act as your action app. Again, using the search bar in Zapier, type Todoist and select it. You'll then choose an action you want Todoist to execute, like create task or update task. Then connect your Todoist account to Zapier just as you did with Google Tasks. Here's where you begin to see everything come together. You'll need to map the data from Google Tasks to Todoist. This simply involves linking data fields from both ends, such as mapping task title in Google Tasks to task name in Todoist. Similarly, align due date with due date and task notes with description. This ensures that all critical information will transfer seamlessly from Google Tasks to Todoist. Before you go live with this integration, take a moment to test it. Click the test button to confirm that everything is functioning as it should. This step is crucial as it helps ensure there are no hiccups when your Zap is live. And once you've done a successful test, all that's left is to turn on the Zap. Now your Google Tasks are dynamically synced with Todoist, saving you time and effort from manually updating each platform. As a bonus tip, if you also use Google Calendar, you might want to consider syncing it with both Todoist and Google Tasks. This can offer you a comprehensive system for task management, merging calendars and task lists into one streamlined overview. And there you have it, a seamless and effective way to maintain productivity by connecting Google Tasks to Todoist. Thanks for joining me and happy task managing.